Hey guys, welcome back to Kala Poshana. I am very excited to share today's DIY. I had this idea to reuse Easter eggs that were lying in my home and did not wanted to trash them. I tried to make lotus buds with multiple different materials like paper, wool, and none were turning good. Finally, I was able to use felt and make these beautiful lotus bud decorations. Please give it a big thumbs up and let me know in the comment section how you like this video. Let's get started. I made some paper cutouts for petals and round to create a cone shape. Using these paper cutouts, I marked the felt sheet and cut them out. Cut the circular shape as shown and twist it to make a small cone like this. Use some glue to attach it together. These eggs have some small holes, so I am first attaching a thread so that I can use this to hang the garlands later. Using hot glue, I am attaching the cone first to create the lotus bud. I place the 4 long petals and attach them. The small petals I am attaching in between the petals as shown here. I made a batch of these lotus buds for my decoration. Next, I am making paper garlands. You might already know how to make these, sharing some of my tips that I used to make these garlands. I always work on the floor while making these paper garlands as the crisscross motion gets easier. Here is the tip. I used a needle and press it against the floor so that it's easy to move it with the paper foldings and you won't need to stress your fingers. Once I get to the desired length, cut out the thread and make a knot. Here I am making 9-inch and 7-inch hangings. Now comes the fun part. Hold the corner and twist it in one direction. That's super easy, and while twisting, it's very satisfying to watch how the paper turns into a beautiful garland. I made 5 garlands by attaching the lotus buds to the garlands, and other lotus buds I'm going to directly attach them to the frame. Please do check out the full video on how I made this beautiful stand. I have provided the link in the description. I am tying the lotus buds to the stand. Another tip, if you have any tape, just pull the thread back and attach it to the frame using the tape. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you very much for watching.